Ever connected your PC to your TV, only to find black bars cramping your style? Let's banish those annoyances by fixing the full screen display issue when using an Nvidia graphics card. First things first, get to your desktop, right-click, and select the Nvidia control panel. Once open, look for Display on the left-hand side, click on Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Now, pay close attention to the settings. Under Scaling, you'll notice a few options. The key, selecting the right one most often. The culprit is the No Scaling option. Change it to either full screen or aspect ratio, depending on your preference and how you want your display to look. Next, ensure the Perform Scaling on is set to GPU. This tells your graphics card to handle the scaling, which usually gives the best results for most TVS. If after this, the image is still not quite right, and you find options for override the scaling mode set by games and programs, experiment with that option. Sometimes, games and programs will override display settings, so this may fix the issues. After these settings, your TV should now be displaying a full screen image without those frustrating black bars. Enjoy the immersive viewing experience, and start enjoying your entertainment the way it was meant to be seen.